Hello and good morning, lads. Today, we will be showcasing the barrel glove. And, as you can see, there's been a lot of gloves while I was, basically sleeping in a way. So, yes, today we'll be showcasing the barrel glove. The barrel glove is probably one of the most spammiest offensive gloves I have ever seen. Because look. But my aim sucks. You can see, you spawn barrels, you throw barrels. I'm gonna get cooked. You shoot barrels basically, which is hilarious. And it also has a pretty big radius, dealing okay-ish knockback in, I guess. Get out. Get out of here. Bruh. And, this guy's using a roguelike. I don't like that, brother. I got murdered. But anyways, this guy, we kill him. We don't like him. My aim sucks. Like this. Stupid. Yeah. Comboed. Combo. The combo goes insane. Stop. Wait. I'm gonna get murked. Oh god. Oh no. I made a mad. Oopsies. My bad, bruv. My bad. There you go. You've been pranked. Right, Barrel Boy. Barrel Bros. Be the Barrel Bros now. This nugget is... everyone has... Oh no! See, as you can see, the combo of the barrel can pretty much deal heavy knockback if you're good at slapping. Oh, you got debated. Take it. Take it back. Come here. Come here, boy. I hate this game. No, 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 no. What the heck was that? Assassin. Nuh-uh, little boy. You got pranked by the prankster. He's back. He's back for more. We gotta kill them all. Kaboom! It's probably the most empty and semi-boring server. Where is everybody? What in the heaven's name is this? Attention everywhere, who has to get Boomerang? What the heck? Right. This'll do. Kaboom! I get really tried parrying. No. I'm in the wall. I am in your walls. I am in your walls. Dead. How are you not dead? Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh, boy. Barrel. Barrel mode. Activate. Bro, it would have been so fine if you could get inside of your barrel. You're not cool. Not cool anymore. I used to think you were cool. Because you were using barrel. You funny little guy. What the? I think he's the honored one. Nuh-uh. I'm in your radius. Social distancing. Social distancing. Get on that. Make it bigger. I'm gonna kill the wrong guy. I'm gonna kill the wrong guy. Oh, what the heck? Nuh-uh! 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 Nah, that was... Oh, God. That was wild. Nah! Nah! Not true! Oh, double kill. Oh, yeah, they also have the kill feed. Very nice. What is wrong? Wow. Come here, boy. Look at that. Death barrels. Probably gonna hit the edge. You can't wait around the edge in this game. People will throw barrels at you. Like me. Oh no. I hate that. Damn. Hey, I killed him back. So, something new in this update is also, something new in this update? Ah, yes. Glove randomizer. Every time I enter the arena... Oh, not I guess. But, like, every time I enter the arena, they randomly choose a glove. You heard that, like, choose... Oh, voodoo. Something fresh. I don't know. Damn, W, bro. W man. We'll spare him too. Huh? Huh? Look. There's barrels everywhere. Come here. I suck. I suck at this game. See it, nerds. We're moving on to Berserk. How'd I dodge that, to be honest? Alright, you may have spared me, but that was just that one time. Bye-bye. I hate you. My curiosity's peaking. Why is someone putting unnecessary spaces? One free kill streak. 100%. And oh, don't mind that, lads. It's something. You are an idiot. What? I might as well do it too. I lived! I lived! Get out. Berserk is funny. Bye-bye. Oh god. If I could just kill my rival one last time. I ain't living. I ain't living, bro. Especially when this freaking scythe keeps missing his... Just missed his... Okay, we got our rival. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I think that'll be the end of this video. I hope I can fix up my upload schedule. But hey, Barrel Glove, I rate it 8.5 out of 10. Funny as heck, but like... The explosion radius, if it was bigger, it would be nice. Anyways, adios.